Hello, let us discuss Rodrigues formula for Legendre polynomial. The formula is Pn of x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power n factorial n dn by dxn of x square minus 1 to the power n. This is the Rodrigues formula. Let us prove it. Let y is equal to x square minus 1 to the power n. Equation 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to n x square minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 2x. That is equal to 2nx x square minus 1 to the power n minus 1. This is equation 2. Multiplying by x square minus 1 on both sides, we get x square minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 2nx x square minus 1 to the power n, which is equal to 2nx y. Now differentiating n plus 1 times. Differentiating n plus 1 times by using Leibniz theorem. By Leibniz theorem, which is given below. Nth derivative of two function, that is uv. uv is the product. dn is the nth derivative. d means that is dy dx here. That is equal to nth derivative of u into v plus nc1, reduce one derivative, that is n minus 1 u into derivative of v plus nc2, again reduce derivative, one derivative, that is dn minus 2 u, then raise another derivative d square v plus ncr dn minus r u into drv plus plus ncn u into nth derivative of v. So this is Leibniz theorem. We use this theorem to the above equation, that is x square minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 2nx y. We get x square minus 1, this is one function, then derivative n plus 1 times of dy by dx, that means that is dn plus 2 y by dx n plus 1 plus n plus 1 c1, reduce one derivative, that is dn plus 1 y by dx n plus 1, then derivative of x square minus 1 with respect to x, that is 2x plus n plus 1 c2, then reduce one derivative, that is dn y by dxn, then derivative of 2x, that is 2, is equal to 2n into derivative of xy, that is first x, then dn plus 1 y by dx n plus 1 plus n plus 1 c1, reduce one derivative dn y by dxn, then derivative of x is, that is 1. Now, or x square minus 1 dn plus 2 by, this is 2, dx n plus 2 plus n plus 1 c1, that is n plus 1, This is the combination, and 2x here. So this is 2n plus 1 into x dn plus 1 y dx n plus 1 plus then n plus 1 c2. It can be determined, that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and here 2, this will cancel. So this becomes n into n plus 1 dny by dxn, that is equal to 2nx dn plus 1 y by dxn plus 1 plus 2n into n plus 1 dny by dxn. Or x square minus 1 into, this is y here, x square minus 1 into dn plus 2 y by dx n plus 2 plus 2x into n plus 1 minus n into dn plus 1 y by dx n plus 1 minus n into n plus 1 into 2 minus 1 into dn y by dxn is equal to 0, or 1 minus x square into dn plus 2 y by dxn plus 2 minus 2x dn plus 1 y by dxn plus 1 plus n into n plus 1 into dny by dxn is equal to 0. Now substituting dny by dxn is equal to 5. Therefore 1 minus x square into d square 5y dx square minus 2x d 5y dx plus n into n plus 1 into 5 is equal to 0. So this is equation 3. This equation is called Legendre equation. This equation is Legendre equation, which has solution phi equal to dny by dxn. Now we can write Pn of x is equal to c into phi of x, where c is a constant, where c is a constant. So this is equation 4. As y is equal to x square minus 1 to the power n, so it can be written as x minus 1 to the power n into x plus 1 to the power n. So this is equation 5. Now we differentiate equation 5 n times. Differentiating n times dny by dxn, that is equal to x minus 1 to the power n dn by dxn of x plus 1 to the power n plus n plus 1 c1, then derivative of x minus 1 to the power n, that is n into x minus 1, then reduce the derivative of the other factor dn minus 1 by dx n minus 1 into x plus 1 to the power n and so on, plus n c n minus 1, then n into x plus 1 to the power n minus 1 dn minus 1 by dx n minus 1 of x minus 1 to the power n plus last term is ncn x plus 1 to the power n dn by dxn of x minus 1 to the power n. Now putting x equal to 1, putting x equal to 1, so we can write dny by dxn at x equal to 1. So we have only the last term. All other terms disappear as x minus 1 is a factor in every term except last term. So we get ncn 1 plus 1 to the power n dn by dxn x minus 1 to the power n at x equal to 1. This is equal to ncn 2 to the power n factorial. ncn, that is 1, so this is equal to 2 to the power n factorial. So dny by dxn at x equal to 1, x is equal to 1 is equal to 2 to the power n factorial. Now Pn of x is equal to c into phi of x. So x, when x equal to 1, that is Pn of 1, that is c into phi of x at x equal to 1. So this is c into dny by dxn at x equal to 1. So this is c into 2 to the power n factorial. From this we get c. Therefore c equal to Pn 1 divided by 2 to the power n factorial n. Pn of 1 is 1 divided by 2 to the power n factorial n. Hence Pn of x, that is equal to c phi of x. C is 1 by 2 to the power n factorial n into phi of x, which is equal to 1 by 2 to the power n factorial n dny by dxn. So this is equal to 1 by 2 to the power n factorial n dn by dxn x square minus 1 to the power n. X square minus 1 to the power n is, that is y. So Pn of x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power n factorial n into dn by dxn of x square minus 1 to the power n. So this is Rodrigues formula for Legendre polynomial. From this formula we can calculate P0 of x, that is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 0 factorial, that is equal to 1. 0 factorial is 1, 2 to the power 0 is 1, that is 1. P1 of x, that is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 1 factorial into d by dx of x square minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2x, which is equal to x. Then P2 of x, that is 1 by 2 square factorial 2 d square by dx square of x square minus 1 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 8 d by dx of 2 into x square minus 1 into 2x, that is equal to half d by dx of x into x square minus 1, which is equal to half d by dx of x cube minus x, is equal to half 3x square minus 1. Similarly, we can calculate P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 cube 3 factorial d cube by dx cube x square minus 1 cube, which can be calculated as 5x cube minus 3x by 2. So this is about Rodrigues formula for Legendre polynomial, from which we can calculate different order of Legendre polynomial. Thank you.